Rob Shapiro from Technique Peak. They're going to look at the CT junction is an area that we tend to, a lot goes on. It's hard to treat. Sometimes we can use some reflex-based techniques to treat it. How do you evaluate it? What you do is I can go on each side of T1, T2, and all I do is I can go a glide medial and lateral. So if I go to the his right, it's pretty easy. Go to the left, it kind of gets blocky. I'm this next to the spinous process, and I'm just playing ping pong back and forth. So this side moves pretty well. This side's kind of, when I push, can't go so far. So I could do technique-wise. So I think let's say I want to go through the idea of the coordination through the pyramid. I could also use the reflex part of it. What you do is you bring your arms up, bring your arm up. If you can, bring your elbows together. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to push down here, activate his triceps, and I'm going to do a reflex, push on here. Now the fun part, if you have somebody else do it, keep it in there, and you're keeping the pressure. I'm just leaning, but I'm still pushing a little bit, and I'm activating his tricep. What you're doing is you're getting those muscles to react to the perturbations, and with that, you're getting kind of a joint mobilization in the posterior part of the CT junction. Okay, do that. You can do it anywhere between 10 and 15 times. And like everything else, we do test retest. So we come back in and we say, let's see how we did. And the cool part, he moves actually pretty well, right? So it's easier to push him. Before it was easy this way, and I couldn't go when I went from right to left. Now I have an easier time of it, right? And it's pretty quick. It's pretty fun because it's an easy technique. But again, as we know, we always go up the pyramid. We start thinking, all right, so now we got to get some motor control, give them appropriate exercises to keep that CT junction mobile and then activate muscles that are underactivated. We can talk about that in a different lecture. Rob Shapiro from Technique.